Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we solve guys mobile network problem in our infinix phone device. Friends, you have guys your mobile network problems and how can we solve today friends. I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting to solve guys mobile network problem guys. So after on phone setting guys, you can see this type of settings of how to solve mobile network problem. Friends, open your phone setting and guys click on your phone system setting. And friends, click on guys your this reset option, tap here. Friends, click on mobile setting guys. You can see mobile data, mobile data guys. We can solve from here. After that guys, you can see this type of interface means this notification. So friends, you will have to draw your pattern and you have any password, so enter your password. Friends, click on reset setting, tap here. And friends, come back. So friends, your mobile network problem has solved. And guys, now guys, you can use guys your mobile network setting without any problem. After that guys, you have any problem, so guys take a screenshot of your phone model number guys, send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye guys.